What if the shares already sitting in your account could pay you cash every single month? That's the whole idea behind a covered call. Here it is in one sentence. You own 100 shares, you sell someone else the right to buy them from you, and you get paid today, up front. The key number is 100. One options contract always controls 100 shares of stock. It's called covered because you already own those shares. If you have to hand them over, you're just delivering stock you had all along. No scramble, no extra risk. Here's a hypothetical. You own 100 shares of a $50 stock. You sell one call at a 55 strike and you collect $150 in premium, cash, immediately. From here, only two things can happen by the time the option expires. Picture your profit against the stock price. You make more as it rises, but only up to the strike you sold. Above that, your gain is capped, and the line goes flat. If the stock stays below your strike, the option expires worthless. You keep your shares, and you keep the premium. Then next month, you can do it all again. But if the stock climbs past the strike, your shares get sold at that price, you still profit, you just don't get the gains above it. In our example, the best case is $650. The gain up to the strike plus the premium. That's the ceiling, not $1 more. Now the part most people skip. A covered call is not a safety net. If the stock tumbles, you still own it. The premium softens the fall, but only a little. So it works best on shares you already own that you'd happily sell at the strike in a market drifting sideways to slightly up. The trade-off in one line, you swap unlimited upside for cash in hand today. Sell calls on stocks you'd be glad to part with, never ones you can't stand to lose. That's the covered call. Next in Options 101, the cash secured put. The other half of what traders call the wheel.